Hi guys, how to create a free McDonald's meal using sell put option. So I will do a quick review on this QQQ market. So currently I will have to find a few support line where maybe I can select on what are the level that I want to sell a put option at the strike price. So hold on, it's over here. So for during support line, it will be very simple as you can one glance you can see how it goes. If you need to find very long time, then I think that's not a very great support level over here. So during the short period of time when I'm chatting with you, you can see I have drawn a 5 support level. So usually I will choose on maybe somewhere here, which is this one is the previous resistance, that it become the support over here. So right now I just remove away the few that I'm not using it, as no need to be so messy. So okay, this one will be somewhere around strike price will be at 340. Let's look at the option selling. This one I will be selling at the put option of 340. 340 is the strike price, so I already add it over here, and current price is 8 cents and 9 cents asking and bidding. So of course I want to sell the higher price, so I will sell it at 9 cents and just take one contract is equivalent to 100 shares, so 9 cents times 100, it will be $9 excluding those trading comps. So let's see, if let's say I were to sell a put option at the strike price of 340, 340. So after the commission I'll get it somewhere around $8 USD if let's say I sell it. So I just click on transmit and I just wait for somebody to accept my offer. So this is how we create a passive income on within a week. Of course there's a risk, but then the risk is very very low. So why I mentioned that risk is low is because that, okay, if let's say this position have to be far below this area within a week, because I set the strike price and the expiry date on 20th. 20th is around 1 2 3 4 somewhere 4 days. So you want the 4 days, within the 4 days it can fall for quite a certain amount, which is not easy, but definitely it will happen in some time. But even though if let's say it fall below the 340, doesn't mean that you lose all your money, just that you will buy 100 shares of this index. So it is still okay, as you can see on over here, the long term it will be continue going up, so no need to worry that it will crash or whatever thing, as over so many years the index is continue go up. So this is what I want to share with you, and how to create a free McDonald's meal. So what free McDonald's meal is, okay, let me explain with you. Okay, the McDonald's meal is like somewhere about $10. So you just create a sell put option, and within a week you will gain the somewhere about $8 USD. Then just get a free McDonald's meal. It's simple, easy. So we'll see on Friday after the market close. We'll see do I get the free McDonald's meal. So see you guys.